हाय फ्रेंड्स, वी आर बैक अगेन विद अनदर वीडियो। इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे अबाउट द चैलेंजेस दैट वी हैड फेस्ड इन लाइक पास्ट फ्यू डेकेड्स। जो एनालॉग से हम लोग डिजिटल पे कन्वर्जन हुई थी म्यूज़िक की, उसके क्या चैलेंजेस आ रहे थे। वो साउंड क्वालिटी नहीं मिल पा रही है, MP3 प्ले कर रहे हैं तो क्लैरिटी नहीं मिल रही है, ऑडियो CD में ज़्यादा क्लैरिटी मिल रही थी। तो ये जो चैलेंजेस हम फेस कर रहे हैं, न्यू इक्विपमेंट्स आ चुके हैं मार्केट में जो ये चैलेंजेस को हम लोग को सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं कि हम लोग और साउंड क्वालिटी के जो एक्चुअल रिप्रोडक्शन है, वो एक्चुअल रिप्रोडक्शन में लोग हम लोग को सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, हम लोग को हेल्प मिल रही है। सो दीज प्रोडक्ट्स आई वांट टू शोकेस यू व्हाट आर दीज प्रोडक्ट्स एंड हाउ डू दे वर्क इन टुडेज वीडियो। So this is Alpine Status, a complete package, car audio equipment package। इसमें आ जाता है आपका, अगर आप देखेंगे यहाँ पे, हेड यूनिट, फ्रंट स्पीकर्स, रेयर स्पीकर्स, द सिग्नल प्रोसेसर, मोनो एम्पलीफायर, स्टीरियो एम्पलीफायर, वूफर, तो पूरा पैकेज है ये गाड़ी के लिए। जो इश्यूज मैंने पहले डिस्कस किया आपसे कि एनालॉग से जो डिजिटल कन्वर्जन में हम लोग को इश्यूज आ रहे थे और वो साउंड क्वालिटी वापस से रिप्रोड्यूस नहीं हो पा रही थी, दिस इज अ वेरी गुड सोल्यूशन फॉर दैट, एंड दिस इज फॉर द ऑडियो फाइल्स हु आर एक्चुअली वेटिंग फॉर समथिंग न्यू टू कम इन। दिस इज अ फैंटास्टिक प्रोडक्ट। तो अल्पाइन स्टेटस आपने देख लिया है। एक प्रोडक्ट को मैं आपको इंट्रोड्यूस कराऊंगा। आई शो यू ईच एंड एवरी प्रोडक्ट। उसमें क्या फिजिकल लुक्स कैसे हैं, उसके उसके बिल्ड क्वालिटी कैसी है, हाउ मच टेक्निकल एडवांसमेंट इट हैज। तो एक प्रोडक्ट मैं आपको अलग अलग से दिखाता हूँ कमिंग वीडियो में। सो दिस इज अल्पाइन स्टेटस हेड यूनिट HDS 990। we'll unbox this and look at the product, the warranty card, manual. If you see, this is a black box which goes hide away. This is not installed in the front, this goes behind, and the front is a control module. I'll show you that also. This is the control module which is installed in the front for easy access of the control of all the functions of the head unit. It is too compact. This can be installed on your company head unit. Look at the build quality and the finish. This product has 31 band graphic equalizer and 192 kilohertz of sampling, which is very good. That's the reason this product is known as a high resolution product. It has inbuilt crossover network, it has time alignment, so basic all high end settings are there in this product. Alpine के head unit के बाद, now we are going to check what the HDP D90 has. This is the digital signal processor by Alpine. ये एकदम लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी का Alpine का डिजिटल सिग्नल प्रोसेसर है, जिसके लिए if you see it has internal sampling of 192 kilohertz at 24 bit, which is fantastic. इसके अंदर 8 channel amplifier inbuilt है and the processor is a 14 channel processor. I'll show you just, I'll open up and I'll give you some idea about it, how it looks like. It's just taking some time. Again, the warranty cards and the manual. Look at the lush velvet, everything is appealing. If you look at the product, I bet it's one of the beautiful products that we're seeing from Alpine. You can see the connection parts. Later in the video we'll discuss about this product more, because this product needs a lot of introduction. Thank you. So the next product in line, we are unboxing the HDF60, which is a stereo amplifier by Alpine. Again, Alpine status, supporting the same sampling rate, 192 kilohertz at 24 bit. Again, you can see all the warranty cards and the manual. Oh, here we are. Just a second, it's a little okay. So this is a Alpine status stereo amplifier. Again, you can look at the build quality and the finish, the promising quality from Alpine. The connection side you can see. Now we are unboxing the HDM80, which is a mono amplifier again from Alpine status, with an 800 RMS. You can see the warranty card, and again the promise of Alpine, you see a certificate where you are given actual the output wattage of the product, certified and tested. Let's have a look at the mono amplifier. Wow, look at the quality, look at the finish. Very powerful. This one is the Alpine status woofer, HGZ110. This is a 400 RMS woofer. It's a 11-inch woofer and pretty heavy. It needs to be heavy because of the components. I'll show you from inside. And one more thing I would like to show you. First, you have all these documents and the warranty cards. I'll show you that there are components which are all similar. Similar in the sense, similar to the front components, to the rear coaxials. Basically, the all drivers are made of a similar material, same material. If you look at the cone, this is the hybrid carbon cone, and you see the double gathered surround. The double gathered surround gives you a better excursion for a better bass. The similar concept is there in all the drivers in the Alpine status. Let's look at the frame. The frame is crafted of die cast aluminium and includes screw type terminals. Yes, these are the screw type terminals. Both the terminals for both the coils, that's a dual voice coil woofer. Look at the big magnet. Look at the finish of the magnet for a much better sound quality. So the next product, the HDZ653. Now this is the product which I really wanted to showcase you people. You see the quality, the product, how the three-way flows, how the crossovers, the mid bass, the mids, the highs. Wait, I'll unbox for you once again. Again, the warranty cards. These speakers are again built in a fashion, you know, they support all your Hi-Res audio, the 192 kilohertz sampling. Just have a look at the mid bass. Look at the quality. Look at the cone, the rubber surround with edges. I'll show you the back portion, so you get to see the finish of the product. Very elegant product. This is again supporting the all high resolution audio files. These are the mid bass. Wait, I'll show you the mids. built on the same lines. You can have, it looks like a Alpine jewelry. Look at the finish, wow. And the tweeters, as I said, this is Alpine jewelry. Look at the quality. I'll show you the crossover network. It takes some time to open up these things, but it's worth the time because rarely seen products. You can see the entire crossover network inside, handling all the three-way driver system. HGZ 653 जो 3-वे कंपोनेंट था उसी लाइंस पे बना हुआ ये कोएक्सियल HGZ 65. एवरीथिंग इज सिमिलर, जस्ट ओनली थिंग है कि जो ट्वीटर्स हैं वो सिंगल एक्सिस में चल रहे हैं, तो कोएक्सियल स्पीकर्स नहीं है. वी सजेस्ट दिस टू बी इंस्टॉल्ड ऑन द रेयर डोर जहाँ पे ट्विटर फिटिंग की प्रोविजन नहीं दी गई रहती है. वारंटी कार्ड्स, if you see the product, same cone, same rubber surround. सिर्फ ये है कि the tweeter is working in the same axis, so this is known as a coaxial speaker. Look at the quality again.